So students, we enter into the last part of our topic today. So we discuss the topic on threatened species. Now students, there is a non-governmental organization which collects data on various species of plants, animals, birds, and compiles the data so that care can be taken for their conservation. This organization is called as the International Union for Conservation of Nature. They have compiled the data in a book that is called the Red Data Book. The Red Data Book gives detailed information on the list of extinct species, that are species which are no longer living. Then also for threatened species of plants, birds and animals, and also for the species that are at a low risk. The list that we are going, the category that we are going to talk about, which has been prepared by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, is the threatened species category. Now this threatened species category basically consists of 4 types of categories: the endangered species, the rare species, the vulnerable species, and the indeterminate. Indeterminate, we will see what all these 3 species actually mean and which are the animals that fall in this category. So let's look at the list of threatened species. The endangered species are those species of animals and birds whose number have declined or their habitat means living place, has shrunk means become less, to such an extent that they can become extinct in the near future. Extinct means they will no longer be found on this planet. So examples of endangered species are the lion-tailed monkey and the lesser florican. Then you have the rare species. The rare species are those organisms whose numbers have considerably declined and as they are endemic. So rare species refers to endemic species, that is species of animals and birds which are found only in a particular region. Like you can call the penguin as an endemic species because it is found only in the ice covered regions and nowhere else on the Antarctica. So you can give, it's an example of an endemic species. So rare species are basically endemic species of animals and birds whose numbers have considerably declined and they may become extinct if conservation measures are not taken. Examples are red panda and musk deer. Then you have the third category, that is the vulnerable species. The vulnerable species are those organisms which are neither endangered nor rare, but there are chances of them becoming endangered or rare because there is a big loss in their habitat taking place continuously and therefore their numbers are declining. Example of vulnerable species are lion and tiger. Then you have the indeterminate species. This data is not known about these type of species, but they are, of course they are less in number, but because of their shyness, data is not properly compiled. So you have the 4th category called the indeterminate species. You have the giant squirrel falling under that category. So let's have a look at the examples of endangered species. Here you have the lion-tailed monkey and the lesser florican. Then we come to the rare species. In the rare species, you have the red panda and the musk deer. You then have the vulnerable species, that is the lion and then the tiger. So with this we complete our portion, students. Take care and thank you.